Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to share another lunchbox episode. It is Korean-inspired lunchbox menu ideas. Aren't you guys curious? Please watch it until the end. Here we go. First up, we are going to cook a Korean honey chicken. So we need 200-gram chicken thigh or chicken breast. Cut chicken into small pieces. Then, crack an egg. Add a quarter teaspoon of pepper and a pinch of salt. Whisk the egg. And then pour the egg into the chicken. Mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Continue to mix all, then let it marinate for 15 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the sauce. For the sauce we need a quarter teaspoon pepper powder, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, Three tablespoon ketchup, 3 tablespoon sambal sauce or hot sauce, and lastly, 3 tablespoon honey. Mix all the sauces and set aside. Now, take 2 cloves of garlic. Grind it. Half onion. Cut it cubes. Set those ingredients and sauces for now, and let's take the marinated chicken back. After marinating, drain the chicken from excess eggs mixture. Then, add the fried chicken mix. Mix it using a spoon. When it's all covered in flour, continue to stir by hand while pinching in order to produce crispy curl. Now, fill the pot with enough cooking oil and heat it. Deep fry the chicken in low heat until golden brown. Lift and drain it. Next, heat butter in a pan. Sauté the onion and crushed garlic until fragrant. Pour the sauce in and sauté them for a while. Then add sesame seed and stir it well. Add the fried chicken. Korean honey chicken is done. Lift and set aside. Next up, we are going to make the sausage fried eggs. So, we need to cut the sausages. Then crack one egg in a bowl. Beat the egg, add a pinch of salt and pepper. Heat the cooking oil in a pan. Fry them one by one. And it's done. Lift and drain it. Let's pack it, shall we? Lastly, add kimchi and your lunchbox is ready. What should we cook next time? Please comment it below. Thank you.